What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So, as you saw in our last video, we finally got her running. We finally got the engine back in. So, the only reason why we had such a hard time getting this thing going was because the pin in here that pulls the clutch out, that it disengages it, that broke. I accidentally put the cover on, and I wasn't paying attention where this lever here was at. And she was in the position she's at now, which is kind of like locked in. So I sort of like pushed the pin and bent it and snapped it. So I messed up that. But so I had to wait like 2-3 extra weeks after I put the engine in to actually get this thing going, which was very dreading. Second of all, the carburetor we had was wrong. The carburetor was too small for the hole, blah blah. So I had to reassemble this entire carburetor back together, and so, which actually works out pretty good. Actually, it runs really good with the carburetor. I probably might get a new carburetor. Actually, I will have to get one when we do the turbo. When we do the turbo, I'm probably gonna try to get a bigger carburetor so no more air gets in and everything, blah blah, that kind of stuff. But other than that, she runs really good. I said we're gonna start up right now, show you guys how she sounds and everything, and go from there. So that's her. She starts off a lot easier now. It's not as many kicks. Sometimes she actually even kicks in just like 2-3 kicks, and that's without choke on a cold start. So sounds a lot healthier. Has a lot more of a deeper, what do you call it, exhaust sound to it a little bit. She does not, as I can tell, she does not smoke anymore. So like puff right into the thing. So cool thing is there's no more smoke coming out on starts anymore. So no more oil or whatever. From the cylinder, having a little bit extra space on top, and also opening out a little bit, probably it was too. So that's all gone. Hopefully, as of so far I've ridden, it seems still good so far. So guys, also we put a new clutch into it. The clutch is amazing. The clutch it grabs pretty much right here. It starts grabbing and then it goes. Honestly, when I first started, it actually stalled it like instantly because I was not expected to grab right on top. So, well, expected to grab right on the bottom, really. All right, guys, that's why I just want to show you guys this thing move a little bit. What started up and it was, and now, guys, listen. Next video we're going to show. Well, next video on the quad, we're going for a ride out in the trails where we used to ride at. So guys, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please leave a like down below, comment down below, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys in the next one.